If you're still managing your business finances with spreadsheets, random notes, or just trying to keep it all in your head, I'm going to be honest with you. You're wasting time and probably losing money too. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what accounting software is, who actually needs it, and whether it's worth paying for in 2026. Let's get into it. At its core, accounting software is a tool that automatically tracks and organizes your business finances. You connect your bank account. It imports your transactions. A client pays you. It records it. You spend on a subscription. It categorizes it. And instead of manually entering everything into a spreadsheet, you just log in and instantly see how much money came in this month, how much went out, who still owes you money, and whether your business is actually profitable without software. Most business owners don't know those numbers until tax season, and by then, it's already too late to fix the problems. Here's a common myth. Accounting software is only for big companies or accountants. That's completely outdated thinking. In 2026, this software is built for everyday business owners, freelancers, creators, consultants, agency owners, ecommerce stores, coaches, even someone running a side hustle from their bedroom. The software handles most of the complicated work automatically now. You don't need a finance degree. You just need to show up and review your numbers. So what does it actually do day to day? 3 main things. First, automatic income and expense tracking. Connect your bank account once and every transaction gets recorded in real time. No manual data entry. You just review and approve. Second, invoicing. You can create professional invoices, send them directly to clients, and track who's paid and who hasn't. Some software even sends automatic payment reminders, so you're not awkwardly chasing clients for money every week. Third, reports. This is where it gets powerful. Good accounting software shows you your profit and loss, cash flow, tax summaries, and expense breakdowns, all in one place. You stop guessing how your business is doing and start making decisions based on real numbers. Now, if you're looking for where to start, the tool I recommend most for small businesses is Xero. Here's why. It's beginner-friendly without being too basic. The dashboard is clean, invoicing is fast, and the reports are easy to understand, even if you've never touched accounting software before. One feature I especially like is bank reconciliation. Xero automatically suggests matches between your transactions and your bank records. You just approve them. What used to take hours now takes minutes. It also connects with tools you're probably already using: Stripe, PayPal, Shopify, payroll apps, inventory systems. So as your business scales, your accounting setup scales with it. So, do you actually need accounting software in 2026? If you're earning consistent income, sending invoices, or managing business expenses, yes, you do. Can you get by with spreadsheets? Sure, for a while. But the moment your business grows even slightly, spreadsheets become a nightmare. More transactions, more invoices, more tax obligations, more confusion. And here's the real cost of messy finances. You make worse decisions. You overspend. You miss invoices. You underestimate taxes. And suddenly a profitable business feels broke. Accounting software gives you clarity, and clarity is what helps you grow. Don't wait until your finances are a mess to set this up. Cleaning up 6 months of transactions later is way more painful than doing it right from the start. If this helped, subscribe. I post weekly videos on accounting tools, SaaS products, and practical ways to run your business more efficiently. I'll see you in the next one.